Alright, the market opens in 1 minute.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Alright, not the best trade. Normally don't take them off the first minute on the open like that, but thought I might get a bounce down from that. Let's see.
Order submitted.
If we get back up here, let's see if we can get a bounce down again.
Order filled.
I might have missed it already, but we'll see if we can get back down. If not, we might be done on this account for the day.
Target filled.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take the break even on that one. Kind of missed the majority of the bounce, but we might try and get another one up here at these overnight highs. Looks like it's kind of playing out though. But yeah, definitely not a lot of sellers coming through here, unfortunately. We're kind of just going up, which is alright.
Order submitted.
Alright, looks like we're
Order
headed up.
filled.
Oh, we're in. Let's see what kind of bounce we can get. Pretty decent so far. Might go break even here in a second. Yeah, it's not looking like it wants to go down, unfortunately. Dang. No sellers coming in. See if we can hold it just a little bit longer. See if we can get it to get a little bit of a pullback here. So far we're just going straight up since open. Dang.
Stop filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Now we're going down, huh? That's right. Let's see if we can get something out of this, but continue the trend up. Should have gone break even on that last trade, by the way, but really hoping for something out of it. But yeah, we just got too greedy. So far this one's looking alright as well, but yeah, we'll go break even.
Target filled.
Nice. There's the bounce we're looking for. Down 250 on the day. Not terrible, but we're going to try and see if we can change that, get back into the profit a bit. But might be kind of hard because so far we're just going straight up to the moon. Just got to be patient and wait for a good opportunity. Before we were looking for bounces off of some of these key levels, like the Tokyo high, London high, overnight high. But yeah, those first couple didn't work out, but then we got a nice little retest the overnight high, and got $300 back from that, which was pretty nice. Yeah, it might be a little slower from here on out. Now that we're past the overnight high, it might just keep grinding higher, but we might get back down and see if we can get a retracement back towards VWAP, but we will see. ATR is only at 9.5, so kind of low, especially for New York Open, but I guess today is a bit of a slower day, not a lot of big news coming out, so might not be the most exciting day, but that's okay. Keep an eye out for some bull flags as well, since we're just grinding higher. Might be able to catch one on one of these little pullbacks here, but we will see. That is if we get a pullback. So far, not looking too promising. At least we're not chopping around, because that's always pretty difficult to trade. I guess if it keeps going up, it's also quite difficult unless I just click the long button and hope for the best. Alright, bit of a pullback here. 16 points off the highs of the session. Let's see. See if we can't get back to some of these EMAs, and then we might look to get in this long. Well, There it goes. Not much of a pullback, but maybe for some it was. Oh, now we're moving up 30 points in one candle. Looks like we're at all-time highs as well, so typically that means we're just going to keep going up. It doesn't mean we're not going to get a decent pullback of sorts, but it does make the shorts not very appealing. Which explains why some of the ones I took earlier did not work out. Should have been a little more careful of that.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Not a bad break through these wicks. See if we can hit profit targets or get stopped out of break even.
Stop filled. Order submitted.
This is definitely looking a little bit better. Better for a little bull flag here. Take out these wicks and see if we can break out for some more highs.
Order filled.
Should be able to push the highs here. Looks like ES is also pushing the highs. So, should be able to follow it. But so far, it looks like the buyers are struggling just a bit. About got stopped out, but looks like, yeah, looks like we're gonna get stopped out on this one. Just can't seem to make the push
Stop
higher.
filled.
Might even be making a reversal. We'll see. Looks like we're breaking a little bit of structure to the downside on the 1 minute chart. Looks like that was a bit of a fake out to the downside. Now we're making our way back up to the highs. A little unfortunate that we get that pullback. Got stopped out before, but better safe than sorry having our stop down there. Didn't want to risk too much more on that trade in case it did start to plummet. but looks like the idea was more or less correct. Oh wow, I was kind of thinking of a little long there, but looks like I might have missed out on that one. Don't want to get in the FOMO, but it's looking like it's playing out nicely.
Order submitted. Order filled.
So you might have been a bit early on that one. See if we can't get that push right now, though. We've been going higher all day, so surely it's gonna keep going up, right? Surely. There we go. Go break even. And we're right back down. What do you know?
Stop filled.
Yeah, I just can't get a good push except for some of these that we kind of missed, but they weren't looking the best to me. But yeah, maybe just gotta be a little bit more patient, but we definitely don't want to risk anything more than we have to. Yeah, looks like that wasn't a bad break even. It's kind of dying off now just a little bit. Not sure how far it's gonna go, but might have gone to stomp down on that one. Looks like ES is also making some lower lows on the 1 minute. So it could be the high of the day right here, but we'll, like always, have to wait and see. Not sure how confident I am in taking any shorts though, but I wouldn't say they're out of the picture. Until we start making some more moves, it might be time to play some games, get past some of the boring price action. Don't want to be over trading, because that never goes well for anybody. I don't know. Could be not a bad, bit of a bull flag here. I don't know. We are kind of making a little bit of lower lows here, but we do got a lot of wicks here, and if we break out past these wicks, break some of these highs, we could be making the all-time highs. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. Might have missed out on that, but see if maybe if it pulls back, I might get in, but we might just missed out on this one. Yeah, no, I might have missed out. Might have gone break even on that by now anyway, so probably smart not to get in it. Yeah, it might be all it goes as well before coming down and making new lows, potentially giving us some bit of movement down, potentially. Or we just go back up, break the highs, but There it is. There's the break of the highs. But we're coming right back down, so hard to say what's going on besides a bit of chop. Honestly, not the best conditions for trading, but that wasn't a bad bear flag. Looks like it would have gotten, depending on how I played it, would have gotten about 10 points out of that, maybe a bit more. Yeah, I think we'll play some Fortnite, a bit of Blitz, warm up a little bit. Games are pretty quick, pretty fun. I think Reload's still my favorite mode right now currently. I'm not a fan of all the new season, new items and weird things going on. I know Blitz got a lot of those, but it's still a fun little game to warm up on, get some kills. The medallions are fun. But I think Reload, that's where I feel a little bit most at home. And zero builds as well. I'm not definitely not good at building any of that, so don't expect anything crazy from me when it comes to playing builds. We're gonna play some zero builds, and we're gonna keep it simple, cause I can aim. I can aim, do a little bit of movement. At least I'd like to think that I can, anyways. I'll have to land late here. I think the stream might be not showing the gameplay. See if we can. Oh no, it's looking good. There we go. Cool. Make sure we keep an eye on the charts, but make sure we get some kills here as well. Now we'll keep that. Need more guns before I can engage. I keep finding too many shotguns though. We don't need more shotguns, we got one of those. We need an AR. Maybe some more shield. Don't know why I couldn't grab that, but looks like someone's here. Maybe we just better engage. Here's one. Who is he shooting at? Oh. I think I knocked. Oh. That snowman, no, snow pillar got me good. I'm sure I had that guy all lined up and ready. And that looks like, I'm actually kind of liking this bullfrog, even though it is pulling back a little bit and kind of chopping. Still kind of tempted to take that right there if we break the high of that candle. Oh, what are these guys doing? Oh, got his ankle. Nice. They weren't even on team? What? What are they doing? Making out in the bush? What are you guys
Order
doing?
filled.
Alright, we're in the trade. Let's move our stop. Below the low. Go for, I guess just, yeah, some of these highs right there. Kind of a 1-to-1 is what we usually like. See if we can just break out of here. Let's get a little win here. Not much, only $130, but a win is a win, of course. Maybe should have
Target
gone
filled.
in. Oh, wow, that was crazy. We freaking just shot up there. How much points was that? 25 points? Jeez, we should have put our target a little higher there. Jeez. Oh wow, the bloom there is not helping me at all. But that was it. That was good. That was crazy. I was gonna say we should have gone in 2 contracts there, but we no longer have that option. Trade is over. Jeez. A nice little push through the highs there. That's what we needed. That's what we wanted. A little unfortunate that we didn't put our target higher. But I mean, hindsight, right? 2020 always. Oh, my shots are kind of on point right now. Let's see, oh, that's a good medallion. I want that. Alright. Not bad. Brutus minigun, that could have been dangerous. Oh man, I love the Excalibur. This thing is so good. So nice. Oh, I went the wrong way. Hit a little building as well. This might be the last guy. Yes, sir. Good little win there. Good little trade as well. Yep, hindsight's always 2020, but yeah, it would have been nice if we got a little bit more out of that trade. Put in more contracts, because $130, I mean, it's $130. But definitely don't mind risking a little bit more on these 50k accounts. By the way, right now I'm using 50k accounts. Yes. Currently just in the evaluation, trying to pass this and get funded. On the funded ticks. Yes, if you guys, I'm not sure if we even have any viewers, but if anyone is watching this at some point and are wanting to get funded, get into the prop firm space, Funded Ticks has some really good accounts with some really good rules for futures trading. That's what I currently have is the 50k accounts with funding ticks. Right now they have 35% off as well, and so you can use code BANG and get that 35% off, or click the link in the description. So feel free to check it out and see what you got. But it looks like, yeah, good game here. 15 eliminations, pretty solid, especially for Blitz. Pretty solid. Let's see if we can get another game here, maybe some more trades as well. So far, not looking too bad. Still a bit in the red, unfortunately. But sometimes that's just how it is. Might be able to catch some more bull flags here. This one's not my favorite, but it's also not bad. It could be worth, especially if we come and hit this EMA here, might be worth put another little order up here in case we get up there. I clicked ready up, but it made me go back to the lobby. Must have been in the lobby for too long. Yeah, might try this one again if we can. Ooh, it's tempting. It's tempting. Maybe. It's almost tempting to do 2 contracts, but maybe we'll just stick to. one. Play it safe. I don't know. It's looking like it's just kind of going down though. Might not be ready to go up. And not every or bull flag is gonna work, so definitely gotta be careful with that as well. Yeah, we might put 2 on here and
Order submitted.
see if we can't break out to some more highs. Alright, looks like we got Nitro Medallion. Pretty killer, definitely my favorite medallion.
Order filled.
Alright, there we go. Let's make sure we get our stop in place. Target these highs. And we're back. Someone's already on us. Let's keep an eye on it. Make sure we get break even if we need to. But it's kind of a smaller trade. Might just let it breathe a little bit. See if we can't. What am I doing? Oh, looks like we're kind of rejecting there. That's not what I meant to do. But we'll take it. Yeah, I'm kind of thinking maybe just be patient on this one. Let it ride, let it go up to the moon. But let's see what we got here. Storms on its way. It looks not bad. I love the Spire rifle. Definitely one of the best in the game right now, especially in blitz mode. Just running into everything here. Suppress pistol? No, I don't want that. No, I don't want that. Kind of taking our time here on the trade. What are we waiting for? It's time to go up. Oh, supply drop right here. Might have found a clue. Get another medallion. Nothing too useful, unfortunately. The Mechanist medallion, your shield automatically replenishes. Alright, let's go get these guys first. Oh, there we go. Now we're getting the push up. Now let's break even probably, since we almost hit the target but did not. We'd hate for it to come back down. But with how choppy it is, we might just be getting stopped out here. Oh, that was a nasty little flick. We'll take that. Nice. Oh. Maybe don't want to underestimate this guy. Oh, that was last two? Dang, I should have played that better. Looks like trade's still looking good. Might get stopped out if it just chops down a bit, but might get up there. Yeah, a little distracted on that, but that's okay. Trading takes priority, of course. And looks like we are gonna probably break out here and hit my target. Any second now.
Target filled.
There we go. There it is. Now we're green on the day. Just below it though, basically break even $17. A little unfortunate we didn't finish that game with a win as well. Just like one team left too. Should have thrown out a shield bubble or hammered out of there, but that's alright. You live and you learn. We're just warming up as well. Still got 6 kills, not terrible, but could have been a lot better, of course. Now let's keep an eye on these charts. Looks like we might just keep making some polo pullbacks and pushes. Might be able to take advantage of it. Or maybe that's could just be it on the day. We might just be kind of happy with a little comeback from the red. We were down like $500 at one point. So pretty killer. Happy to make that back. Now let's see what else we can get. Looks like still no viewers. That's right. We're starting the stream. Recently it's only my second one streaming, and we'll see what we can do to make this sucker grow and hopefully provide some quality entertainment for you and some quality trades or some banger trades. But let's see if we can't find another game. Yeah, it looks like we're just pushing new highs, continuing to grind up. You never know with all-time highs. These are tricky because sometimes they just ride up forever, like we're kind of seeing now with a bit of pullback, and sometimes they just dump right back down. There's a day a couple of days ago. When was it? We hit all-time highs. It might have been this. No, that was Friday. I don't think it was Friday. It was one of these other days. It might have been this day. Right here. Wednesday the 9th. We hit, in like the first hour, we hit all-time highs. We made it look like we were going to push, and then we just dumped like 200 points off the highs in like an hour or two. Kind of a nasty little a little prank for anyone who was thinking we were going to push the all-time highs and keep going higher. We did not. Definitely did not. So anything could happen, but today is not looking like that. Looking like it's just going to keep going higher. ATR is still pretty low at 9. We did get up to a 10.5 at some point during the day, or even that looks like 11, almost 12. But yeah, low ATR, pretty low volatility for the most part. But yes, looks like get back to the game. We got pretty good loot this time. Gold Excalibur, pretty solid. Hammer, always good. Let's see if we don't. I have spawn here. The other night I was playing, I landed here. Was the first one here. I was all confident that I'd get some decent loot. But two guys like landed on me. That guy's not paying attention. Ooh. That guy did not have enough health. Oh, this guy is stalking me a little bit. Oh yeah, I didn't have enough health, and one of the starting guns was a purple or gold thunder shotgun. One of my favorites, or probably my favorite shotgun in the game, besides the Heist Accelerant, which is kind of a rare one, so it's pretty uncommon. Usually aren't going to find that in most games. But when you do, it's the best by far. But in reload and even this mode, sometimes you can get the get this guy. Might be a bot. He's not really doing much. But I got lucky with the supply drop again. Already right here, get another little medallion. That sounds pretty good too. Go invisible when we jump. Oh, he's still alive. Yeah, Excalibur's not the best with hipfire all the time, unfortunately. But most of the time, pretty solid. Get some good little shots. Probably shouldn't push this out in the open. They seem to just be killing each other. We got some decent movement. Oh, my guns. Okay, we're good, we're good. Alright, let's be smart. Let's not throw this game. We're not in a trade. We shouldn't have any distractions. Oh yeah, we got plenty of shield bubbles. We'll throw it down. Yeah, get rid of that guy. There we go. Ooh, that's pretty nice. But we don't really need it. We already got infinite stamina with our medallions. Oh, I'll take that. They're lagging a little bit. Not sure if that's from the stream or just... probably is. Yeah, they're surrounding me. Dual charge. Not for me. Where'd it go? Nah. Nice. Get a third medallion, why not? Oh, now we got nitro. There we go, that's what we like to see. Ooh, I have to take this enhanced havoc though, this sucker. Pretty dang good. Alright. 2 guys left. Oh, that was really weird. Ooh, 210 pump there. This guy looking like a bot, so we just pumped him in the face with 210 as well. Good game. Not a crown win, but that's alright. What can you do? Hopefully the stream is looking alright though. Bit of lag. Not sure if the stream is lagging or just my game. I don't know. That was fun. Good games. Oh, I got 19 kills as well on that one. Pretty solid. But I might go to play some reload. Might be a little more sweaty. Might not be able to get as many wins. But we should be able to still have some fun. This is kind of a bear flag here. Just slowly kind of grinding down to this EMAs a little bit. So definitely could push through some of these and go higher. But it does seem to be stalling out a little bit with the volatility. So not quite what I'm looking for too much. Might wait for it to do a little bit more before we start getting into more trades. If we even do, like I said, came back from some losses in the green just a little bit. But it would be nice, of course, to end the day in a little bit more of a profit. Definitely would be nice. let's see. Yeah, let's get in this. Getting this reload going. Ooh, biggish red candle. Not actually that big. It's only 5 points. Oh, almost 10 now. Still not much though in the grand scheme of things. When it comes to NQ, that's nothing. Especially compared to this 26 point candle here. But this could be the start of a little pullback. Oh boy. ES coming down as well. Keep an eye on it. Alright, yeah, breaking the low here on this 1 minute candle. ES trying to do the same, but has not yet. I am watching back some of the footage of the stream, and it is looking like the gameplay is a little bit laggy, which is weird because my game is hardly lagging at all for me. I mean, it is a bit slower than normal. I'm definitely going to keep an eye on it for the stream because we don't want that to be lagging for you guys. Otherwise, it's unwatchable, trust me. I'm with you guys on that one. Can't be watching no laggy stream. Loot's looking pretty poor here. No shotgun. No movement. Guess we do have a boogie bomb. Here we go. Uh-oh. He might be pushing me. Oh, that did not last long at all. This guy trying to hit me with the mammoth pistol. Keep an eye on his teammate in the back. Definitely. Oh, and Storm. We definitely want his shotgun though. And his mammoth. There we go. Might as well grab this big pot. Storm's just a little bit up in front of me, so we won't take too much damage here. It is looking like it's lagging a bit still. I have to take a sec to figure that out, but we do got Storm coming in. Let's see. Change this. See if that helps. Shoot, storm is quick. Guess we could just use this. I don't really need to hold on to it. This might be stupid. Nice. Oh, I can't jump. What is going on? Nah, yeah, we're still getting some of this lag. Not a fan. Nice. What is he shooting at? Oh, there's a guy there. This guy's over this way too. I want this AR. Oh no. Alright, we're chilling, we're chilling. Can't reload my guns though. Mess with these settings a little bit more. Output. Ooh, that was a cheeky little headshot. Oh, this guy's moving a little better than the other guys. I just don't have any health. There we go. Actually, I'll take that. Not the best position here. Oh, this guy's emoting. Oh, shoot. Why am I getting sniped by that guy? Jeez, leave me alone. Oh, this slurp might save my life if I don't die in the meantime. Oh, that bloom is so bad. Dang, he got me too. Hey, a grappler. There we go. Here's some better loot. He's pushing me. Nice. Oh no. I have no idea where this guy is. What? Jeez, no way he hit that. That's crazy. Very unfortunate. Still looks like the quality's a little rough. Maybe that's just on my end though, what I'm seeing. Alright, hopefully this quality, we're messing with some settings there for a little bit. Hopefully quality's a bit better now, but might have to do a little bit more research, try again on another stream, see if we can't get some better results. Oh, he's so low. Yeah, I might have to use the combat shotty this game. I do love the combat shotgun. Haven't used it in a while though. Been sticking with classic pump normally, or the thunder, but you know, pump is typically my play style. The combat is quite nice, definitely cannot deny that. Just look at the charts here. Kinda tempting to go for a little long here, but nah, I think I'm not quite looking for that quite yet. Another grappler. Alright, stream's looking a little smoother now. Still might be able to make it even better for next time, but it's feeling alright right now. Grab this supply drop. Today, that's where the combat's nice. I mean, it's only doing 10 damage for that range, but 10 damage is 10 damage. This team could be worrisome. What's this guy doing? Can't fight all these guys at the same time. That would be not good. This guy's still trying to test his luck though. Oh, that was bad. That was bad. Oh, I gotta go. Alright, I might have a second here. I'm stealing my kills. Definitely not getting a break right now though. These guys are not messing around. Oh no, that's unfortunate. Got hit by the mammoth for 100. That's I love the mammoth, but so does everybody else. Literally everybody. And I don't know what it is, but for some reason these guys just do not miss with the mammoth. It's kind of ridiculous. I swear, I always get hit by it for 100 or more, and then I'm just kind of boned. Good thing we did not go long when we thought about it. crazy, or is there no minis, no shields yet? Guess that'll do. Did no one else land tilted? Oh. Someone's moving around. Yeah. Jeez. Just not paying attention on that one. That shot though was crazy. I mean, I was gonna die to fall damage, but he hit me on the way down with the mammoth, which was crazy.
Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
Liftoff of mission 41D, the first flight of the orbit of Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
3, 2, 1, 0, 0. Discovery, go and throttle up.
market's not really going much of anywhere. I might call it a stream, call it a day. Might be about that time. Sun's getting a little low on the markets, but to anyone who may be watching this or seeing this some point in the future, thank you for watching. Please like the stream, subscribe, do all those little things to help it grow, help me grow my stream. I appreciate it. And yeah, that's probably all for today. Probably be back tomorrow if I work open. Peace out.